So hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and today I am back to give you guys some details about these pre-looped butterfly locks that I currently have installed in my head, and to also let you guys know my experience with them. Now, I made the decision to purchase these butterfly locks from ZRQ on Amazon. Make sure you guys check the description box below for the link. But I have worked with ZRQ in the past, so I am familiar with the brand, so I knew more than likely I would like their butterfly locks. So if you are interested in hearing a little bit more details about these butterfly locks as well as my experience, then keep watching. So again, these butterfly locks came from ZRQ on Amazon. These are their pre-looped messy butterfly locks in the color 350. I got a pack of 6 and it retails for $46.86. Of course, right now, Amazon has a save an extra $3 when you apply this coupon. So of course, these are synthetic. They are 12 inches and they are short butterfly lock. And again, they are in the shade 350 because I recently dyed my hair copper. My hair used to be that color, but I decided to go back and actually dye it the correct color. So I went ahead and chose this color. So this is how the hair is looking right now. Oh, before I get into details, so this is the bag that they came in, and this is how the butterfly locks look. It's already looped at the end for your crochet needle, which they did give me a crochet needle, and as you guys can see, it is distressed already. So I installed these early, I believe it was early Friday morning, July 2nd, I believe. So I had started, it was like 2 a.m. And I had a slow process because I was trying to figure out how exactly to install these. So finally, when I got finished, it was maybe about 5 or 6. It probably would have taken me a shorter amount of time if I knew exactly how I was going to install them, but I wasn't too sure because of course I did them individually. I recently cut my hair, so parts of my hair are shorter than the other. Some of them I braided, some of them I twisted, kind of like when I installed the new locks last year. I'll link that video down below so you guys can see that. But I was real lazy with this once again because I just wanted to get the feel of how they look and see how exactly I can install them without braiding my hair. I can't braid my hair to the scalp, can't do it at all. Right now I don't want to spend any money for somebody else to do my hair, so the best way that I know how to do it is individually, and I just have to take the time to plait my hair out. But like I said, I recently cut my hair in certain areas, so certain areas is shorter than the other. Now this one I knew was gonna have trouble. I had these in for a week and a half almost, and I am going to take them out. But this one I just noticed today, like you can see my rubber band, and this is kind of unraveling because with my real hair, I got to the point with some of these locks, I went ahead and twisted them as a lock. So, you know, and as you can see, my hair is copper, but the ends of my hair is darker than the rest of my hair. So that's why you see these dark areas in my hair. For some reason, just when it comes to dyeing my hair, I'm just gonna have to let the ends sit a little bit longer than usual because they always end up not being the same as the rest of my hair. But for the most part, these are cute. They are cute. I love the color. They're already pre-looped, so even if I was to go get them done by somebody else, it would probably take no time at all since they already pre-looped, they're pre-twisted, all that. All you have to do is crochet them in. But yeah, this is how they're looking a week and a half later. They are cute, so I would do them again, and I would definitely take time to actually, you know, install them the way I want to. But I knew I wasn't gonna keep them in long. I just wanted to see how they would, you know, work out for me, and I kind of wanted my hair different for the 4th of July. Kind of wanted to take a small break from, you know, reviewing wigs and all of that stuff. This is how it's looking so far. So the length is really nice. I like the length, 12 inches again, so it's not too bad. So if you like short hair, definitely recommend this length, of course. But yeah, they're super cute. So ZRQ, definitely, I do recommend ZRQ for your faux locks, butterfly locks, whatever. Like I said, I have worked with them in the past, so I do trust them. I do trust their hair. I like their hair. So if you are interested in these butterfly locks, I will leave the link down below, of course. They do have other colors, of course, so go ahead and check that out. But yeah, y'all let me know down below what you think about these pre-looped butterfly locks. Let me know how you feel about the color, all of that stuff. I haven't really gotten a chance to take a bunch of pictures with my hair. And unfortunately, I'm not going to do that now because I'm getting ready to take these out. So yeah, but they're super cute. I definitely will be, you know, doing these again. Eventually, I'm going to try to properly do butterfly locks by myself from scratch. Eventually, I'm going to try. So, whenever I do that, I definitely will film for you guys. So kind of be trial and error, of course, but we definitely gonna get it done. But that's pretty much it for this video. You guys make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below, and of course share this video with your family and friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as post notification bell so you're not missing a new upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you in my next one.